Creating professional-looking video from scratch sounds like a very intimidating process, usually requiring expensive and complicated software with a very steep learning curve. But that is not the case with VEED, because we've made creating video content simple and accessible to everyone. Even if you've never edited a video before, you might be surprised by just how easy it is to create some seriously eye-catching results. And the best part is, you don't even need to download any software, because VEED operates entirely within your internet browser, which means you can access and edit your projects from any device at any time. My name is Ryan, and during this course we are going to edit a simple video together, all whilst you learn how to use all of the basic features within the entire VEED workspace, including how to record, cut and edit, add some effects, audio and transitions, as well as exporting and sharing your video in a way that works for you. We're also going to take a look at some of VEED's other tools powered by AI, helping you create videos in much less time, such as automatic subtitles, drag and drop elements, templates, and more. So if you're ready to start making professional looking video effortlessly, it's time to get started.